Welcome to this BDCOM GPON configuration tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through configuring VLANs on a BDCOM GPON OLT and a connected SFU-type ONU using CLI to segment traffic for different types of services. Let's begin by logging into your GPON OLT using console, SSH, or Telnet access. Once logged in, enter Global Configuration Mode to start the configuration process. Step 1. Create VLANs on the OLT. In Global Configuration Mode, create VLANs to segment network traffic. For example, to create VLANs 100 to 200, use the command VLAN 100-200. In this command, 100 to 200 specifies the VLAN ID range. Step 2. Configure the uplink port to handle tagged traffic from the router. In this example, we will configure port 10G01 for uplink connectivity. Although trunk mode is commonly used in Ethernet switching, GPON architecture uses .1Q encapsulation by default for uplink ports. Therefore, instead of standard trunk mode, we use the .1Q tunnel uplink mode. The commands to configure the uplink port are interface 10G01 for navigating to the uplink port and switch port mode .1Q tunnel uplink for setting uplink port mode to pass multiple VLANs. Step 3. Configure GPON ports. GPON ports are responsible for forwarding traffic to the ONUs. In this step, we will explore two configuration scenarios depending on the required VLAN setup. Scenario 1. Access mode on a GPON port. Use access mode when all ONUs connected to a specific GPON port will share the same VLAN. For example, to configure port GPON01, such as all connected ONUs use VLAN 200, set the port to access mode and assign VLAN 200 as the port VLAN ID or PV ID. This ensures untagged traffic from all ONUs is tagged with VLAN 200. Commands are switch port mode access and switch port PV ID 200. Scenario 2. Trunk mode on a GPON port. Use trunk mode when you need to support multiple VLANs across different ONUs on a single GPON port. For example, to allow VLANs 100 to 199 on GPON port 02, configure the port as a trunk and define the allowed VLAN range. Commands are switch port mode trunk and switch port trunk VLAN allowed 100 to 199. This setup enables each ONU to operate within its assigned VLAN, inside the specified range. Step 4. Create and apply VLAN profiles on the ONU interface. To manage VLAN behavior for individual ONUs, you must create and apply a VLAN profile. For example, to tag traffic with VLAN 100, create a VLAN profile named V100 using the following command: GPON profile ONU VLAN V100. Next, set the VLAN mode to tag and assign PVID 100 within that profile using GPON profile VLAN mode tag and GPON profile VLAN PVID 100. After creating the profile, navigate to the corresponding ONU interface to apply it. To access the interface of a specific ONU, use the command interface GPON 021. Here, 021 refers to ONU number 1 on GPON port 2. You should adjust this value based on your actual ONU port configuration. Finally, assign the VLAN profile V100 to LAN port 1 of the ONU using GPON ONU Uni 1 VLAN Profile V100. This completes the VLAN profile assignment for the ONU. To ensure the configuration has been applied correctly, verify the VLAN assignments and VLAN mapping. First, confirm whether MAC addresses are being learned under VLAN 100 by using the following command. Show MAC address table dynamic VLAN 100. If MAC addresses appear from both the uplink port and the GPON port under the same VLAN, it indicates that VLAN traffic is successfully passing through the OLT and reaching the ONUs. Additionally, you should review the VLAN mapping to confirm that the correct VLAN is applied as intended. Use the command show VLAN ID 100. This will display detailed VLAN configuration and mapping information for VLAN 100. That's it. You've successfully configured VLANs on your BDCOM GPON OLT and ONU. For more tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.